Now blue is not in her.
Hey ladies, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a quick wig review for you. This wig comes to us from Sis Sister Wig, and it is from their Dream Free Shift collection. I have a wig like this, and I think I did a review on it. If I can find the other one, I'll link it below. And that one was more of like a wavy wig, and I think it was like in 1B. I can't think of the name of it right now, but I know that I've done one from this. It's a Dream or the Dream collection. Nonetheless, the wig that I have is called DR Free H BONA, B-O-N-A, and I have it in the color Sombre RT Selfie. So if you've seen this color before, you know that it's like got some purples and blues and a little bit of pink in it. I have a couple wigs in this color. However, I do not have a straight wig in this color. So I thought that maybe we could review a straight wig. Now, this is the care card, and the back of it, as usual, just gives you a couple of instructions on care. Now, this is from Zury Hollywood. The Sis Sister wigs come from Zury Hollywood. So their colors are always on point. I absolutely love their colors. Let's give you a couple of specs. Looks like it has a 4-inch deep hand-tied part, so you probably can wear it with the free shift. You can wear it in the middle, you can wear it to the right, or you can wear it to the left, and no matter which way you shift it, it's supposed to end up looking, you know, pretty good. Heat safe up to 400 degrees. And let's get into the cap construction. So this is the color, and this is, like I said, the wig in a straight wig, and it's gorgeous. Like, I love this color. I don't know why, but I lean towards it so much. So let's start with the inside of the cap. Looks like you get 2 combs directly on the side of the part, which is great for people that use the combs. You get a comb in the back, and then you get your regular adjustable straps. Now, the cap on the inside, I really like the cap because it's like a breathable cap. It's not the one where you can stick your finger through the tracks. I like this cap. So I'm going to turn the inside out. You see, it's more like a fabric, so it's really stretchy. And then it's like they took and sewed the wefts onto a stretchy cap. And I like that. It tends to fit your head a lot better. So that's really good. Another thing that I like about it, you don't have to cut off lace. For everyone who hates cutting off lace, you don't have to cut off any lace. The lace is already cut off for you. And as you know, sometimes that can be a good and a bad. But it looks like they give you a little bit of hair here. So you can call those baby hairs, edges, or whatever, right by the parting area so that you can work with it a little better. Probably so you won't be able to tell where your hair stops. So you won't be able to tell where your hair starts and the wig ends, or vice versa. So the texture on this hair is silky yucky. And I say that because it feels silky at the top, but then once you start running your hands through it, you feel texture. Like silky, but then when you start really feeling it, it kind of feels textured when you run it down. Now, it's not thin. It's actually a perfect density. So it looks like a perfect density. So let me get it on and let's take a look at it. Now, another thing that I noticed about the cap construction for this that I really liked is that they took, and not only did they use a stretchy cap and they sewed the wefts on, they took the wefts and instead of cutting them, they folded them on the inside. See how they did that? So that way when the wind blows back, the hair, you have that color. I do like how they did that, if you pay attention there. And they did that on both sides. So I do like that. So let's get it on and see if we like her. Okay, this is the wig on as a middle part wig, basically. And I want you to see, there is the parting area. You don't have to do anything to the parting area. Not a thing. And I'm just showing it to you as a middle. And then I'll switch it over to the right. And let's switch it over to the left. On the left side, and those are the hairs that were in the front. And as you can see, I didn't even put anything on there. I mean, I'm sure you can. I just laid them down like that. I think it was a good idea for them to put them like here, right here like that, because all you got to do, you don't even got to cut it or anything. It's already cut for you, and you could just leave it like that. Okay, this is the final look for Miss Bona, and I will tell you that I really like the unit. So let's get into the cons first. The cons for some people may be that the wig doesn't come with lace, so it doesn't lay as flat as it would if it came with lace. But I will tell you that to me it lays flat even though it doesn't come with lace around the perimeter, and I'm going to show you that. I only took and put like a little bit of gel right here to lay down the hair that they had in the front. And as you can see, it lays really, really flat. Now, once you get underneath, you don't get it laying as flat here because you don't have lace to cut off. But I think all in all, for me, it's not a con, but I mentioned it for other people because it may be a con for other people. Now, another thing that may be a con, it may be a con as far as with the texture of the hair, because the hair is not silky, but it's not yucky, and so it kind of leaves it in between. I like the texture of it. I think that the texture is okay because of the color of the hair. I think I wouldn't have wanted it to be too yucky, and I definitely wouldn't want it to be too silky. So for me, the texture is really good. I like the texture. So those are the only two, I think, cons that someone might find. And of course, if they didn't want it too long. Again, for me, I like the length of it. I think it's perfect length for me personally. Now, the pros is going to be the parting area. Again, I'll show you that parting area is really, really good. I didn't plug this. I didn't put powder in it. I didn't do anything to the parting area. And the parting area came out really good. So you literally can just take this wig out of the package and just put it on, and it's perfect. Now, if it's in a natural color, I think, of course, it's going to look really, really nice. I got this color because, one, I like selfie, and I have this color I think in a couple different styles, but I did not have it in a straight style, and I wanted to see how it would look in a straight style. And to me, in a straight style, it's absolutely gorgeous. When I get wigs like this, like, I always am so amazed because I don't have to dye some bundles, and I don't have to like blend different colors. I can just buy the wig and I can literally just put it on. And to me, it's like saves time and it saves money. So it always is going to get a thumbs up just because of that. So another positive is the color. The color, of course, is just so vibrant. It's so pretty. They've mixed 3 different colors, possibly 4. You get a pink in here that's blended throughout. You get 2 purples, I think. It looks like you get a lilac, and then you get a darker purple. And then at the top up here, you get like this bluish color. And I hope that it's all coming off really good on camera. But you can see that blue right there. And the blue is pretty much like to the root. It kind of acts like a dark root. So you kind of get like, look like a 1B and the blue together. Again, I don't know how they do it, but it's absolutely perfect. I really like that. So, so the color is everything. The length I love, not too long, not too short. And I also love the density. It's a natural density. It's not too thick and poofy. It's just the perfect amount. This is all of the hair to the front. And as you can see, it's not overwhelming. Push it to the back. I'm going to turn around and give you ladies a 360 so that you can see the whole thing. But even pushing it to the back, again, it keeps it really, really nice. And a natural color, of course, even better. So you can put it behind your ears. If you want to put a band on, it's perfect for wearing a hat. If you want to put a hat on with it, because it fits so flat. That's another thing I like about this wig. It fits so flat. Now, as I mentioned when I started the video, that this is supposed to be the free shiftable part, so you can shift it either way. I think that I like my part on the left side. That's just a personal thing. But I think in the middle or on the right side, it still looked good. So this wig for it to, I don't think it's that expensive. I'm thinking it's in like the $20 range. I think it's a good wig. I think you should go out and buy it. You know, it's a good wig to invest in, especially if you want to find some bright colors. Now I have to see what other colors it come in, because I see Selfie. It does come in platinum blonde. It comes in a red copper, charcoal, burgundy, and then a 2730. And I bet that 2730 is probably really cute as well. So so let me give you guys a 360 of the unit. This isn't in the front. Let me take this part out so you can see. You may want to cut this in the front because it just is like a long layer. I'm not going to. And like, I think they did that so that depending on which way you shift it, of course, it would give you the look of having it, you know, this way, where if you put it in the middle, it's even. If you put it on either side, it would still look the same. So that's the front for me, with it being on the left. And then this is the side. And I just want you to be able to see the color. This is all the hair to the back. And that's how thick a ponytail it would make if you need to wear it like a ponytail at work. And then that would be this side. So all in all, it's a cute wig. I didn't get any shedding. I mean, it's long, it's synthetic. You probably will get tangling. I always use just a regular brush with it. I don't like to use the denim brush, or I don't like to use stick comb brushes, because to me it makes it tangle worse at the bottom. So it's really cute. If you guys are interested in this, I will leave all the information for purchasing in the description box below. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you like, hit the bell next to it, and you will be notified every single time I upload a video. And if you decide to share this video or any of my other videos on your social media, please do not forget to tag me in it. As you know by now, my name is Beauty by Mark. I will see you ladies in my next video. Bye.